Andyax Film Workshop 2019. We are filming the short movie that we scripted, and we have taken half of the scenes, I think.
I'm gonna put this in the beginning of the video, so you need to act that we are just going to start.
For the vlog?
Yes, this is for the vlog.
And he said it was okay? We divided it into two, so that there is one group doing the first two scenes. Light will be Rainer and Victor. Camera, Trevor and Victor. But one of the camera people should also start bringing the camera, while the director and the cameraman with the actors start to do the blocking.
We are now here to get all the equipment for the light for the scenes. So we will go for one 300D aperture for the moonlight, probably a bit harsh, we'll have to see. A 120 for inside. We also take the small ones, the mini, just in case.
Yes, that's what I thought.
Yeah, that's what we thought as well. That's why we have the moonlight.
Night in here or day? Evening. So what is needed in terms of
Fat Batman, your rear guard, just in case those bastards try to circle in behind us.
Ah, for God's sakes, please, Banner. Good. I like that.
Go. Yeah, okay.
So we need one more sound check, and the last instructions are being made to the actors. Then yeah, we're ready to record.
The audio is doing very well. You want to have a listen? It's good. I'm making sure it's perfect.
Just sitting here waiting to continue our shoot, so I am one of the actors today and I got awarded that job, so yeah, sitting here waiting for the other guys getting their stuff done, and then we get rolling again.
Okay, so right now...
Can we just show them what's happening?
Yeah, okay, so right now we're doing scene 3B. Overexposed.
Perfect. I think I'm gonna clamp this in a light stand. Yeah. And then I will just stand behind it and do this.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
It's Frank's idea, but you take the credit.
Oh, those branches are really nice.
A little bit of wind.
That's great.
Because this was all about making you feel it's outside of the wind.
Your dead cat smells.
There's no SD card in this. Well, it's a micro SD and an adapter.
No, you're in there. I can hear you.
Good. Say it once more and try to
I'll have you hot tight, strap, and hit over the face. Oh no, give him the head. Ah, it's hard when you're trying to do the
No, I know,
together,
but
yeah.
you remember all of it.
Yeah. Just try to be even harder. Because it's important for you to deal with this. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, but it's really good. Everything's good. Just try that out.
It's stressful as hell. Especially with lighting taking so long time, and then the audio guys don't have an SD card.
So we have the EVA 1 with the 1835 lens, now with follow focus and gears on some rods.
Action! Victor?
Yes?
Do you have an extra battery? Because your fucking camera is dying right now.
I don't know where the batteries are.
Up the stairs!
What I'm thinking is we're going to do the scene 2, the very first beginning, and also the scene 3.
We're gonna shoot with the Easy Rig and the EVA 1 with a nice follow focus. So nice package, and look, without hands. Anders, this is your camera. How do you feel about this?
It's the easy rig, so I'm quite
safe.
This is on.
Just look safe.
This is actually Eskil's follow.
am I always the one stuck in the back seat?
Look guys, I've told you, it's now